Hey, what's groovy? So we have woke up today at Force Waterfall, which is all part of the River Tees near Teesdale. Oh, are we in Teesdale? I don't know. Near it or in it, I'm not sure. So we are going to take a nice stroll down to see the waterfall in a little while. If you've watched the last vlog, you will know we ended up parking at the Force Waterfall Hotel. £12 a night. There's public toilets here, bins, picnic tables, and nice views. It's very nice. Nice place to wake up, and I can't wait to get my hiking on.
You may now kiss my feet.
Good morning. So we are heading to Whitby today. We stayed at a campsite last night just to replenish, charge the batteries, etc. It is very cloudy here in the north. Very cold. It's been freezing. You would not believe it's August. So I'm just going to go and fill up my water, and then we're going to get going to Whitby. So we've just arrived at Whitby Abbey, huge car park full to the brim, but we're very confused about the parking restrictions because it says no overnight camping / caravans, motorhomes, but you can pay for 24 hours. Also it says no motorhomes, but there's legit about 50 motorhomes, caravans here. So I went to go and ask. I thought I'd be brave and ask someone who may be in the know. Their response was interesting. Excuse me, just come in our motorhomes, and obviously it says no caravans, camping, but you can pay for 24 hours, so we're a bit confused what the deal is. Well, don't worry about it, no? Okay.
Someone staying here has rang that number and said this sign shouldn't even be up.
Oh really? So you just park it for free, basically?
Yeah, we are, do you know what I mean? So I wouldn't worry about it.
All right.
Everybody else is doing exactly the same.
For a few years now, so.
Oh, okay. I thought I asked someone that's been here before, so maybe a note.
I wouldn't worry about it. We haven't.
All right.
It's confusing, isn't it?
It is, yeah, but they've only put them signs up since April.
Right.
They have, but apparently there's like some sort of loophole.
Okay.
Whatever, so They're not issuing the fines. They're not.
So we don't really know what to do. We don't know if we want to be rule breakers. We don't know whether we should just wing it. I don't know. We're thinking about it for a second. Bus.
It would make a good conversion.
My future home. We've had a good old walk round Whitby Abbey, which was very beautiful to see. We didn't pay to go in because we felt like you could get a pretty good view anyway. So we've done that, and now we've decided not to stay here because of all the Whitby and Scarborough fiasco with motorhomes and camper vans going on at the minute. We don't know if the people we spoke to were a reliable source. They're aware that they're putting all these restrictions in place, because on the sign, we looked again, it does say from 1st of March, 31st of October. So, and then from those dates, it's free to park here. So we're not going to risk it. We're going to go ahead into the town area by the harbour and the pier and see if we can find some street parking for the night. I also just want to say I'm hardly surprised that they are putting all these restrictions in place, because even here there's a rubbish bin left right outside my door, and there's just a bin at the bottom of this little bit, like, I don't know, a minute walk, 30 seconds probably. And then my dad said he saw barbecues ditched over there, more rubbish, and it's obviously the camper vans, isn't it? Obviously the minority are ruining it for the majority, unfortunately. Again, situation, but why? Just laziness and disrespect, and I'm not surprised people hate it. Thoughts? Let me know. Got a few though. Yeah. Look, the pier's only there.
Yeah, I thought that when we drove out, well, that's actually fair.
You can actually get down there.
Actually does that.
Yeah, this is a cushy little park up.
It's far I have to go. Far I have to go.
Got it.
How do they park there?
How'd you get there?
That's a good one.
That's a well good one.
I know.
There it is again, dream home. Say cheese. What's the fact?
The sketchy fact that I got is that regatta is something to do with boats.
Okay, sounds like a pudding.
Regatta? Yeah. Sticky toffee regatta for me, please. How would you like your regatta, sir?
Good morning. What an absolute gorgeous way to wake up. The sun is shining right in my eyes. Oh, but look at this! Beautiful park up. We got so lucky when we came to Whitby because we had no idea that they had their regatta on over the weekend, and the last day was yesterday. And yeah, it was absolutely chocker in Whitby, so we probably didn't pick the best weekend for that, but we got to see the amazing fireworks last night, which we had no idea were going on, and we parked right by them. Isn't that just like the beauty of van life though? Stumbling across these things unexpectedly, and it just makes you enjoy the moment that little bit more because it's a surprise, like you got lucky. So yeah, had a great day yesterday in Whitby, very nice town. Would highly recommend. It is a gorgeous day today. I tell you what, I have been so cold since coming up north. I did not realise how drastic the change of weather actually is. I feel like northern people are just acclimatised. My mum doesn't really seem to notice it, but I have been like, I've literally been freezing. I've left summer behind me down south, but that's okay because I wouldn't have seen anything otherwise if I didn't come on this trip, and I've had a great time so far. On that note, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're heading to Scarborough today, so check out that vlog. Let's see if the drama is as drama as it's been dramatised. A lot going on in Scarborough for van lifers at the moment, and lots of bands coming into play, so we're going to go and check that out. Okay, see you in the next one. Stay groovy. Bye.